So when I reached the trauma center that side, I shocked totally, because their side, a lot of visual I saw, and patient laying the outside in this temperature, and they don't have any doctor, and very long queue I saw for patient, and they are waiting numbers, when he will come number and then see the doctor. Definitely their side I realized three thing we can say. First, don't over speed car and bike, because most of case their side I saw accidental. And second thing, if we talk about like any kind of fight and domestic violence, we can say some casualties, this type also case their side. So definitely, if you think your life, and if you have any kind of arrogance, and you think my way is highway, so definitely you must visit their side, and only 2 3 hours spend. And some people also just blaming life, that which life they have, so blaming only, I don't wanna to live. But when you visit their side trauma center, so their side you will see which life you don't wanna to live, same life person wanna to live and save keen and acquaintances. And they are giving as much as possible, which thing like money and anything, if request and need, so they will ready to give. But only save life, which life you wanna to lose and don't wanna to live. So definitely always you should respect your life, which condition you are living doesn't matter what, but you should always think that same life person to beg and request for God, which life you don't wanna to live. So always I think gratitude for God, and which people you have like family member and parents, so always gratitude. So this is a very common thing. And definitely every person they have any problem, and if they have arrogance, so they can visit their side only 2 3 hours spend. After that they will able to understand automatically that what is exact life. And I think their side I 4 5 hour sit their side, so only I realized this thing, that definitely life is very important. And if you go and their side saw, so definitely you realized also. And people are laying and they are suffering very severe pain, because accidental and happened suddenly any casualties. So their side most of some faces broken, head injuries and leg broken, so many kind of patient you will see. So definitely you should understand your life, and always only I will see one word: gratitude. This is the most important thing, and thank God daily. Because if you don't have any problem, so definitely you are lucky. Doesn't matter you have sufficient money or not, you can live, I think, a little bit money also. But if you have any problem in body, you are not able to go like walk alone and physically and mentally, so definitely life is wasted. Doesn't matter how much money you have. So always respect, and be careful also, and especially while driving. And I think new generation, I saw that if they are driving so very speedy, not anything like if they have bikes, so definitely they will always ride speed fully. But this is, I think, very bad thing. And always to slow and control speed, so that if anything happens suddenly, so you can control. This is also very big problem. So this video purpose only which thing I realized their side, and I spend 4 5 hours, so I shared this video. So let's catch up next video. Thank you.